Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I cook my ginger bok choy. For the ingredients, we need 5 bulbs of bok choy, quarter cup julienned ginger and quarter cup vegetable stock. For the sauce mix, we need 1 tablespoon light soy, 1 teaspoon vegetarian oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon sesame oil and quarter cup vegetable stock. Mix the sauce well. We need to wash and then cut the bok choy. We blanch the bok choy for 30 seconds. Set it aside. We then saute the ginger in sesame oil over medium heat till fragrant. We add the sauce mix. We add the bok choy and cook for 1 minute. We then add quarter cup vegetable stock, cook 1 minute. We then add the slurry and cook another minute or 2 till the sauce thickens. Then we dish out the bok choy and serve immediately. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for watching.